Fine. So the first tag that we are going to discuss about is paragraph tag. P stands for paragraph. So if you want to write down 2 or 3 lines of text in this HTML code in between the body tags, so you can make use of paragraph tag in order to define the scene. This is a paragraph. Okay. Now this is what you can write down, and you can put it inside the paragraph tag like this, because paragraph is a container tag. Okay, so you need to define the on tag also for this paragraph tag, and you have to close it also. You have to define the off tag also. Now let's see the change and check out the result we are going to get on the web page. This is what the paragraph is going to produce as a result on the web page. Is this thing clear to every one of you? How can you use paragraph tag?
Yes, sir.
If you want to use it for more than one time, what you can do, you can just copy it and paste it like this. Okay, as many times as you want, you can paste it. And suppose, let's say it is paragraph 1, it is paragraph 2, it is paragraph 3, and it is paragraph 4. Fine. Now let's save the change and check out the result we are going to get on this web page. So we are going to get the result like this. Okay. Now let me just tell you one thing. If I'll remove this paragraph tag from here, now let's see what is the change that we are going to see on the web page. Can anyone tell me what is the change?
They will be written in the same line.
They will be written in
And
the
3
same
and
line.
4
It
will be
means
written
that
in different lines.
that is absolutely right, dear. With paragraph tags, we don't have to make use of break line tags, BR tags. ठीक है, अगर हम किसी लाइन के साथ पैराग्राफ टैग यूज कर रहे हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो लाइन ब्रेक हो जाएगी. आया समझ में? So we don't have to use BR tags with paragraph tag, or else if you will write it down, if you'll write this text that we have got right in the first row in between these paragraph tags, if you'll replace it with H1 tags like this. Okay, now if you'll see the output, you will get an output like this. Why you're getting an output like this? Just because you haven't closed this H1 tag. यहाँ पे भी open हो रहा है और यहाँ पे भी open हो रहा है, कहीं close नहीं हो रहा. That is the reason. अब क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो H1 tag है ना, इसके features इन सभी text पर apply हो गए. If we want that, this is the only text which should get reflected as a heading in the web page. So what we have to do, we have to enclose it in between this on tag and off tag like this. And this is what you're going to get as an output. Okay, now you will be able to see that this is the heading and this is the paragraph. These 3 lines are behaving as a paragraph. They are getting reflected as 3 different lines. Okay, so automatically, if you want to get some text reflected in the form of a heading, what is the tag that you have to use? You need to use this H1 tag. Is this thing clear to every one of you, or is there any issue? Is there anything which you are not able to understand? Clear hai sabhi ko itni cheezein?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And besides that, I would like you guys to do it practically also. Whatever we guys are doing in this
Sir.
class, try and do it practically also, so as to get a better understanding of each and everything. Yes,
Sir, can you
Anshika, you want to ask something?
please again open that Google on the site that you opened?
Yes, this one.
Yes, sir. So, sir, you have not mentioned paragraph tag for the first and second para. Still, it is coming in 2 other lines. So, why it is happening so?
Just because we have enclosed this thing in between these 2 paragraph tags, and we have enclosed this text also in between this paragraph tags. That is the reason. This is why we have enclosed this paragraph tag in between these paragraph tags. Am I audible to every one of you right now?
Yes, sir. Now you
Okay.
are.
So what sorry, what I was telling you, actually this tag is doing the work of breaking the line right now, Anshika. ठीक है, इसको
Sir.
मैंने पैराग्राफ टैग के अंदर इंक्लूड नहीं करा है. If I will remove this paragraph tag from here ना बेटा, तो क्या होगा, जब देखते क्या होते हैं। आया समझ में? Now they both, these two lines are coming the same line.
Sir, I am not asking for second and third. I am asking for first and second. You have not used that para tag
अच्छा,
for
फर्स्ट
both
एंड
of
सेकंड,
them.
क्योंकि
Yes.
H1 के साथ भी हम ब्रेक लाइन यूज नहीं करें तब भी वो ब्रेक लाइन कर देता है, लाइन को ब्रेक कर देता
Okay,
That
sir.
will cause
है।
it to
H1
heading.
also be say the way paragraph tags work. Okay, we don't have to use we are not required to use that break line tag with paragraph tag. Similarly, we H1 tag also क्या, H1 tag क्या करता है, वो भी break line automatically कर देता है. We don't
Okay,
have to
sir.
define break line tags for H1 tags also. Who is this?
Okay.
COVID is requesting remote control of your screen. Who is this COVID?
Sir, Hindi Gurma told he's some student of sixth or
Next,
don't
sir,
know.
I know him. He
Beta,
is
can you please leave the class? Whoever this person is, please leave the class. Thank you very
Sir,
much.
I think so. She is again Prakriti.
Okay.
Sir, you can option, you can,
No
when
problem,
you
dear,
will
no
go for
problem.
the option with her with
So we are
chat, then
done
you
with
will able
we are
to
done
use.
with we are done with using this paragraph tag and heading tag. Now we are going to talk about HR tag, horizontal rule tag. Now, if I will put HR tag here in between these two texts, okay, in between these two lines, if I'll put an HR tag here, now what is going to happen? What is the result that I'm going to get? Let's check it out. So, you are going to get a horizontal line like this. HR tag is used for getting a horizontal line reflected on the web page. Okay, is this thing clear to every one of you? What is the purpose of HR? Why we use HR tag for?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes,
Yes.
Now let's talk about center tag. All the tags which I am telling you, they are given on page number 99. Right on the top, they are given. Okay. The fourth tag is centering or center tag. How can we make use of a center tag? Now, if suppose you have defined a heading like this for your page, if you will enclose it inside the center on tag and off tag, you are going to see it in the center. It will shift in the center like this. Is this thing clear to every one of you? How can you shift? How can you get a particular text reflected in the center? Using center tag, you can do that. Now comes bold tag.
Sir, can you
Yeah,
ask
sure, I
something?
can. See, right now it is getting. But if I will remove the center tag, you are going to get an output like this. Right now, it is getting reflected on the left side of the window. Am I right? It is getting reflected on the left side of the window. Now, if I want to see this heading in the center, how can I do that? I need to enclose this whole thing inside these tags, inside the center tag. Okay.
Sir,
And
what
when I
tag
will
have
save
you
the
used
change,
for
this is
line?
what you are going to get as an output. Yes, who is this?
Sir,
Someone was
Ranveer.
asking some. Yes, Ranveer.
Sir, what tag have you used for the line below? This is paragraph 1.
Acha, this one I have
HR
used this
tag.
HR tag. Dear. HR tag. It is the full form of this is horizontal ruler or horizontal rule. कुछ भी कह लो.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, Ranveer. Now let's talk about the font which can help us in styling the style of the text. So the first one is bold tag. I'm removing all these things from here. Okay. And the only thing which we have got inside the body part is this text. This is a paragraph 1. Now it is getting reflected in a regular font. If you want to get it reflected in a bold font style, you need to make use of bold tag. Okay, B.
Bold tag.
And you can enclose this text in between the on tag of bold and off tag of bold. Let's see what is the output we are going to get on the web page. So this is what you're going to get as an output. Okay. Now, if you want to see it in italics, what you can do, you can change this B with I, and that's how you will see it in italics.
Sir, if you want to use both bold and
सर
italics, so
बोल्ड में बी लिख देंगे.
That's also we can do. We can do it in the same line. We can apply both the tags, bold as well as italics, on the same text in a same line like this. Okay, but remember one thing, you have to make sure that you are following the fifth rule that is given on page number 98. It is saying that when the tags are embedded, when you start a tag within another tag, you need to close the inner tag before closing the outer tag. So this is right now behaving as an inner tag, this bold tag. Okay, so if you have started it after this one tag, you have to close this inner tag first before closing the outer tag. This is the rule that you have to keep in mind.
Tag after italic one, so what will happen?
If you will put this.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
So you are not audible.
Yes, sir, you are not audible.
Beta, am I audible now? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Let's see the output, what this code is going to give us on the web page. Okay, so this is what you're going to get as an output. The text is getting reflected in bold italics now. So it means that you can apply two or more tags on the same text. Okay, in a in one go. If you now want to apply,
That we have to put that B
if you
before that, or we can also put it after I.
Acha, Gargi, you are saying that if we'll put it before B, that's what you're saying, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
This is how. You can put it like this also. You're going to get the same output. See? Okay, but you have to make sure that you are closing the inner tag first before closing the outer tag. That's what you have to take into consideration while defining things like this. Now, if you want to if we'll include this whole thing inside the H1 tag, what is going to happen? Let's just check it out. If we'll include this whole line,
It will become a heading.
it will become a heading. That is absolutely right. Okay,
I
that's
want to
how
ask
you
something.
can. Yes, Kunal, please go ahead, dear.
Sir, that in the code you have written like body, head. So, sir, this is written, this is paragraph 1. So, sir, why body and that head is not coming in there? In there. There is
Because
written, this
see,
is a paragraph 1.
when ऐसे तो बेटा ये भी नहीं आ रहा, ये भी कहाँ आ रहा है? Tags.
Sir, you are not audible.
अब
Yes,
ऑडिबल हूँ
sir,
बेटा
your
पक्का.
voice is
Yes,
breaking.
sir.
अभी तो ऑडिबल हूँ
Yes.
मैं.
Yes, sir.
कुणाल, क्या है बेटा? ये ना सारे टैग्स हैं. You're not going to see them on the web page until and unless you will make some mistake. अगर आप इसमें स्पेस दे देते हो यहाँ पर, ठीक है? अब देखना जरा आउटपुट आपका क्या.
I am not talking about the tags.
फिर किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो, बताओ ना.
Sir, here you have written in the starting the body of the codes which you have written.
This one we're
Body
talking
and
about.
head.
हाँ ठीक है.
So, sir, why they are not coming? Yes.
Because
So,
it is
why
the
they
it
are
is the
not
head
coming?
part. Beta, it is the head part. It is getting reflected right on the top. यहाँ head यहाँ पर है HTML का, देखो यहाँ पर. याद तो रहा है यहाँ पे टाइटल. लगता है you have not attended the first or second class of this.
Sir, I
जब
have
मैं ये
attended
चैप्टर
all the
समझा,
class.
तो फिर ये तो पता है ना, ये तो पता होना चाहिए ना कि if we are writing something inside the title tag, so it is going to get reflected right on the top in the head part of the browser. Head part कौन सा है इस वेब पेज का? हेड पार्ट तो यहाँ पर है ना बेटा, ये बॉडी है. This is body and this is head part of this
हेड
web
पार्ट
page.
वो ऊपर है जो उसका टाइटल
हाँ,
है.
वही चीज मैं बता रहा हूँ, हेड पार्ट सबसे ऊपर. ठीक है, तो anything that you will write down in between these body tags, this is the only thing which you will be able to see here in this white part, क्योंकि ये body है. ओके अच्छा, इसके बाद अब आइए आप लोग पेज नंबर 100 पे। कम ऑन पेज नंबर 100। So there are basically 6 types of heading. सबसे पहला है H1। अब मैं इसको कॉपी करके ना I am pasting it 5 times like this. So I have created 5 copies of the first line. Now this I'm going to change these numbers like this, and I'm going to change the tags also. ठीक है, तो there are total 6 types of heading that you can make use of. Now let's check out the change. Now let's check out the result we are going to get on the web page. Are you all able to see the result? So this is what H1 is going to give us. This is what H2 is going to give us. This is what H3 is going to give us. This is what H4 is going to give us, and these two by H5 and H6. We will get them from H5 and H6.
So why they are
Means
getting
it is a
smaller?
type of size for
Type
the
of headings.
text.
Type of headings, dear.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, if
If
we
you will
will,
increase the number, automatically the size is going to get decreased.
sir, if we will put H1 for all of these texts, so then they will be shown in separate lines or together only.
ठीक है अंशिका, मिल गया
Okay,
आंसर।
sir. Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, पता है, यू हैव टू ट्राई दीज थिंग्स ऑन योर ओन। आप लोग मुझसे पूछ लेते हो ऑनलाइन क्लास में, आप लोगों को खुद ट्राई करनी है, पता है ये वाली सारी चीजें। सर हम ये करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये करेंगे तो क्या होगा। आई एम हियर टू टेल यू व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन विद अ पर्टिकुलर टैग, यू नो व्हाट इज द फीचर, व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इफ यू यूज अ पर्टिकुलर टैग इन योर एचटीएमएल कोड। लेकिन उसको किस तरीके से मॉडिफाई करके यूज करना है वो तो आप ही लोग करोगे ना बेटा। अगर वो भी चीज
We
मुझसे
are
कराओगे फिर क्या
asking
फायदा।
like situations to you.
हाँ वही तो, मैं तो आपको शेर के गुफा के अंदर का रास्ता बता सकता हूँ ना। अब आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि सर हथियार कहाँ कहाँ रखे हैं जिससे हम शेर से लड़ सके, तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो आपको खुद ढूंढने पड़ेंगे। अच्छा अब आते हैं हम। अच्छा, if I define a break line tag like this in between these two heading tags, what is going to happen?
Sir, line will come.
एक स्पेस और बढ़ जाएगा। ठीक है, एक स्पेस और बढ़ जाएगा। बस that's it for today. Let me stop this.